friends in the transit advocate community, environmental community, BART, our good friends in labor, building trades. And I just want to say, how spectacular does that look? There it is. So, on behalf of the business community, major employers, businesses that need people to ride this train in downtown San Carlos and all along the railway, we're so thankful for this. We're thankful for everyone coming together to make this happen. And have a great day. Thank you.
Oh, there's just some guy looking for you. Dan is down there, the check-in for doctors.
Yeah.
Ask us some questions. Black should represent Caltrain representative. Yes, you can.
This is brand new.
What is that?
This is brand new.
Brand new. Engineer, Stadler Engineer, this is this company, the building manufacturing in Salt Lake City, and then the Ron and New train, the other new train. Ron and train from Colorado. Once they pass Cassie, they ship the trains all the way here to the Bay Area. So,
Dawson, you want to go on?
yeah, check it out. Enjoy.
That's what this station does.
Wow.
It's so fresh in here.
It's so good in here.
Let's sit down for a second.
I like the window view on these.
Oh, interesting. They chose not to have like a pattern.
Sorry.
No.
How much the coloring
Smile for the camera, Mom.
I feel like they fit more into the train. One like less space here, and it's interesting to have a high back too. It's like you're on an airplane.
It's hot in here, huh?
Oh, it does. It does feel hot, actually.
You look at that place to put your hand.
New York subway. I think they start out in parallel and they switch this series.
He's talking about as far as motors. At the same time.
Nice.
She had the heat on 70. She had the AC on 66. So it's just
Back and forth, back and forth.
This goes fast and slow.
You know, is this
I've never seen you in short sleeves, and now I know he's got
there you go.
Look at me.
What do you want to know about the train? What is the air conditioning?
This is pretty neat. So if somebody rides their bike,
Yeah, so can you accommodate more bikes?
It's going to be 80 miles per hour. That's the maximum speed.
A lot of times, it's just
They don't have plans to make the track better such that it would get higher.
Not for this route currently. It's a different platform. Everything's different for high speed. It has to be higher. It's part of the 10, 20-year plan.
But high speed will run here, or they need new stuff?
They need new stuff. It's a whole different infrastructure.
Looks good. Indeed. Portuguese?
I did that for a couple of years.
We don't have any Portuguese.
Only yours changed.
And here's the, I think, the wheelchair space over here. Cool. I hope they ride smoothly when they're in service. The seats look quite sturdy. And it makes it.
Why'd you make that face?
Pavilion, but we can also go home.
It's 11:30. Let's go.
你小心点，它可能要起来，它就摔了。
Oh, I remember that. That was so funny. They kept moving around and stuff.
Oh, sorry.
You want to get out of here, Dawson?
你等来的，有点你等来的。
阿丽，做不做那个？
不做这个。
这个，来，下来跟妈妈一起照一下吧。
All right, and extra space for bicycle spaces.
Roughly it was set up like jump seats. I got stuff.
What are these seats for?
I have no idea. You can ask them. Yeah. No, they get one of those
Remember, please offer these seats to Dad.
What's back here?
Yeah.
Smells all new, huh?
Yep.
Hey, Nate, can you sit here with Dawson for a second? I'll take a picture.
Alright, you want to walk out and just walk on the side of it?
Emery, you going down? We'll meet you on the other side. Dawson went downstairs. We gotta catch up with her.
Huh?
Dawson went downstairs, so we'll catch up with her.
It can make a big difference once they start running. They'll have air conditioning.
There's the MP15 switcher over there.
Oh, we finally got to the end of it. Maybe that's the conductor's house. Conductor's room.
I know you're very excited, but like, you're still lying. I know, but we have
Let's look behind them. Look at them behind them. There's no rush. We're all the same. All the way at the front of the tree. How are you? You enjoyed it? She said she got outside. Oh, yeah. Okay, I believe you.
It is. That's exactly it. Connects from here to there. Connects and locks it in.
So that one can connect to the other one and
好了，我们去看其他车厢。
it's totally adaptable with the old
Yeah, they use it to be adapted with this old adapter. Make it easier.
And they're still using diesel, right?
No, these ones gonna be fully electric. Those ones, yeah, those the old ones, those are diesel.
Okay.
Look.
They've certainly been operating.
Stand by the fan.
find some food trucks.
Yep. What do you think of the door design?
They're probably going to test them with 700 series, so they could be good.
Okay. Nice, thank you. We could go to In-N-Out. Should we go? Well, I don't know.
I don't know if there's an In-N-Out near this station.
You could look on your phone and see if there's
I'll just
nearby.
look.
No, Dawson can research it too. Do you want to go back on the train, or are you done?
It's already hot in there, so let's go along the platform.
Ooh, you want to get a boarding pass stamp?
I'm sorry?
Let's get one of these stamps.
Let's take a look.
This stamp here?
Yeah, we love this.
Can we get a picture of you guys up against the train?
Yeah, I see this.
All right.
Or did we miss the other tables at the other? No,
Alright, so you can show your guys. And you're all about the Caltrain.
Alright!
I'm not sure we can get back down this way. I think we might have to go back that way. Yeah, we can't get down this way.
So what do you want?
We could likely get a view of the end again.
Oh, Tamien,
Yeah, we're going upstairs.
What's your name?
I'm Nubby. I'm Nubby.
We have closed the other doors so we can get the AC going on board.
Yeah, come take pictures.
They got to see light.
There's actually a place that's about halfway down the block. Oh, like boarding pass.
Okay.
Okay. Go all the way to the end.
Okay, perfect. Should we go through the train first?
Yeah, you go.
Okay. Perfect.
Still kind of like.
There is a gearbox.
7267. All right, last call, 7267. All right.
Yeah, you see that this one is diesel powered. Somebody else get it.